Now I'll show you some of my cute pictures, and also you'll see the fascination of my father making me stand in the middle of nowhere and in front of any wall he could find in the house, the plain walls, and get in pictures clicked. Every day I used to get ready one photo, cow, photo, band baja reference, band baja barat reference, cow, photo, camel, photo, same. So this is me wearing a frock, which was very rare, very rare. I used to wear jeans and t-shirt, and you can see I'm wearing a dress with the jeans. I did not like dresses, never. And can you see how responsible my parents were? They left their child in the middle of a forest. Don't even know where this is. They left me. Okay, so if you want to see if a human baby was the size of a bird's baby, how would it look like? It would look like this. That's me. I was this big. So I was a premature kid. So I was like just this big, like a bird. Chidiya ka bachcha. They call me Chidiya ka bachcha. I was the Chidiya ka bachcha. Okay, so this picture I really like because you see this teddy bear. I'll show it to you someday. This brown teddy bear, I still have it. Dadi saved it. I still have it. And now you'll see my real avatar. This is what I used to wear. T-shirts. This, everybody who thinks I don't read and I don't study and stuff, you think I'm just crazy doing crazy things? No. Ever since I was a kid, I'm a very studious person, okay? I was telling people about your encounter with Shilpa Shetty. You were playing with Shilpa Shetty, man. I was crying to meet Bobby Deol. Arey, he hugged me also because I was crying to meet him. Huh?
I met 3 stars.
Vidyu Jamwal is sorry, you did not meet him. You actually let's just forget it. We'll discuss it. Okay, let me explain this. Okay, so he came for the Commando ka promotion in Banaras Club. Vidyu Jamwal, if you're watching this, I apologize on behalf of Brigya Rai. So he came for the promotion and we went to swimming and we came back. So he was sitting and he actually performed all the stunts on stage and I was like, oh my god. So it was me, my sister and my mama's kids. The 4 of us. तो मेरे भाई को मिलना था विद्यु जामवाल से. Also we were standing near the gate where he was going. There were not a lot of people उस दिन क्योंकि announcement नहीं हुई थी कि वो आने वाला है, वरना भीड़ होती. तो उस दिन नहीं थी. So we were standing on the gate क्योंकि हम लोग निकलने वाले थे and coincidentally वो भी उसी समय निकलने वाले थे. तो वो when he was getting out, there was a little baby who was crying. तो उसकी मम्मी ना मिलने नहीं आ पा रही थी उठ के. He crossed the ropes and he went to meet the little kid. You remember? Such a nice guy. He's probably the most amazing superstar I have seen. The most amazing one. So then he came near the gate. We were standing there. हम लोग सारे वहीं खड़े थे. मम्मी तो मम्मी खाना ले रही थी उधर से एंड द 4 of us was स्टैंडिंग. तो मेरे भाई ने उसको हाई किया, उसने मेरे भाई को हाई किया. मेरी कज़न सिस्टर वो भी खड़ी थी, दोनों ने उनको हाई करा. I was standing there. I wasn't even looking. I did not know he is coming. I was looking that side. मैंने इधर देखा. He was standing there. He smiled at me. So I smiled back. He smiled at me. I said, Mrigya Rai. He said hi. He said hi. Like सामने से आके he said hi and she was like and I think he by then understood that this person is not okay. He was like, okay, introvert person, okay, never mind, no handshaking. And then भीड़ काफ़ी ज़्यादा आगे थी तो he went ahead and then he looked back and said hi, bye, and he did bye to her. He was still nice to her and this girl, what is this behavior?
There was so much crowd.
He said bye to you. He said bye to you.
There was so much crowd.
What was the need for Vidyut Jamwal to go आगे and then turn back and say bye to one specific girl because she was scared to shake hand.
Because there were so many people.
He is
behind him.
amazing. He is amazing. If you, if
Very nice guy.
please somebody take this video to Midun Jamal and tell him how amazing he is. He is
And I
amazing.
apologize.
And she apologized. Let's start. Then again, let's come back to me being this. You've taken my attention for over 5 minutes. I don't like my attention being given to other people. Please don't do that again. Okay, so this was my first bike, my first cycle, purple color, broke. I don't know why do I break things. I just broke it. Now do you want to see the tomboy that I was? I used to walk also like that. This was my pram. This used to be my pram. अब ये बेचारा इसकी ज़िंदगी. Oh, my mummy has wrote the date on the back. This 23rd of October. Oh wow. So cute. This is me posing with a teddy bear I had because उस ज़माने में teddy bear मिलना बहुत बड़ी बात होती थी. अब I'll show you why. Then I started copying my mother. मेरी मम्मी को facial कराना होता, मेरे को भी कराना है. So this was my facial being done. These are my toys. I used to love soft toy. You can see my craziness for soft toys from here. I used to love soft toys. This is me doing monkey bar. अब बंदर से याद आया कि फोटो है. I used to do the monkey dance. This is me being me. I told you, let me just sleep. Let me just sleep. Let the kids sleep. You remember the Christmas tree picture I showed you? The same night suit. Now, after this, all the pictures, just see my expressions and know what a drama queen I was since I was a kid. My father asked me to look in the camera. I was like, no, I'm not doing that, okay? Don't tell me what to do. Sorry. Oh, this is a very photographic genius. Photographic, what masterpiece. कैमरे का लेंस हिल गया था. कोई जीनियस नहीं है. This is me refusing to come out of the water. I refused. This is chapati. Remember. Again, चिड़िया का बच्चा. That is what my family used to call me, चिड़िया का बच्चा. Namaste to everybody. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay. I was a very creepy kid. Also a very happy kid. Never cried much. Or do you want to see again the tomboy in me? And this picture is actually a replica of a picture of Bhaiya. I don't have it here. Exactly the same way he was walking. This is like Sanjay Dutt walk. And the sweater is also Bhaiya's, not mine. Now, I told you I'm very talkative. On the landline, calling nobody, just talking. This is a picture of us in, where was this? I think this was Cuttack. Didi trying to take me away from the water, and I'm like, let's go back. The water is nice, let's go back. Okay, I told you the Joker story. It was my, I don't know which birthday. There came a इतना बड़ा एक डब्बा आया पार्सल में. इतना बड़ा, it was this big, like इतना ऊंचा और इतना बड़ा. मम्मी ने कहा ये क्या आया है. उसको खोला गया. There it was full of toys. So my mama from Gulbarga has sent so many toys. उसमें से एक ये जोकर था. I was scared of Joker, but after this toy I wasn't. So I loved this toy. There was a monkey, teddy bear, a box full of toys. That's my dream now. तो हमारे घर में ना गोल गोल टेबल थे. हर जगह केन वाले जो टेबल होते हैं, गोल टेबल होते थे, लंबे टेबल होते हैं, उनके नीचे पैर रखने की जगह होती थी. आई यूज टू लव सिटिंग अंडर द टेबल, उस जगह पे बैठ के. और ऐसा बहुत बार हो चुका है कि आई हैव गॉटन स्टक इनसाइड इट. जैसे वो देर आर लैब्राडोर्स, जब बड़े हो जाते हैं उन्हें आइडिया नहीं होता है कि वो बड़े हो गए, उन्हें लगता है वो अभी भी छोटे हैं और वो आपकी गोद में बैठ सकते हैं. आई वॉज लाइक दैट कि आई नेवर रियली टुक इन द फैक्ट कि अब आई एम नॉट स्मॉल इनफ टू फिट इन दिस. आई वॉज लाइक आई कैन फिट इन दिस. घुस जाओ टेबल के अंदर, फंस गए, निकाला खींच के. This is me not getting food, eating my hand. This is what I'll do if I don't get food now. I'll have some cold drink. Oh, I used to have this rocking horse. I think in the 90s every kid would have had one. Oh, this picture is actually very beautiful. इसमें सब लोग बोलते हैं मेरी आंखें बहुत सुंदर हैं. These big eyes. So I had big eyes. चेहरा छोटा सा था एंड बिग आईज, मतलब बहुत बड़ी बड़ी आंखें थी. तो एवरीबडी यूज्ड टू फाइंड मी वेरी प्यारा क्योंकि आंखें बड़ी बड़ी थी. आई एम नॉट प्यारा यारा, वेरी बैड. अगेन ईटिंग माई हैंड, नोबडी गिविंग मी फूड, ईटिंग माई हैंड. ओह, नाउ द शाय गर्ल हैज कम आउट. व्हाट वाज रॉन्ग विथ मी बीइंग अ दुल्हन ऑल द टाइम? ओके, इफ यू कैन स्पॉट द इल्यूजन इन दिस पिक्चर, दिस इज मी सिटिंग ऑन अ रेलिंग. Can you see? This is me sitting on a railing, all by my own. I'm not even one. I'll show you. You can see my father's hand here. पापा का photographic genius जो निकलता था ना कि I'll hold her like this, you click picture, so that nobody knows she's sitting on her own. How can a kid who's not even one sit on her own on a railing? And what kind of a parent are you to let your kid sit on the railing without support? Okay, so this I think is my most beautiful picture from my childhood. This actually is probably the most beautiful picture because this frock, I think my choti bua made this frock. And as I told you, my eyes were so big, बड़ी बड़ी आँखें थी. And मेरे बाल बचपन में used to be curly. बड़े हो गए फिर वो अपने आप straight हो गए. And my sister's hair in बचपन used to be straight, बड़े हो गए curly हो गए. सब उल्टा. I'll show you some pictures of me with my family. So I'll start with my Nana. This is my Nana. So cute. This is my Nani. That's my Nani. If you ever want to see who do I resemble the most, that's the one. I resemble my Nani the most, as people say. Okay, then I move on to, I want to move on to my Dadi first. Where is my Dadi?
This is behavior. Not fine pictures. Not fine.
Yeah, got it. So that's my Baba. That's my Dadi. So if you want to know who Mrigyara resembles, you can see this. And look at how tiny I was. So yeah, and in this you can see money. This was my Anprashan. Baba gave me a lot of money. My Baba. Now I'll show you my Badi Bua. No, let's go in order, okay? So this is Mami and this is Mochu Baba. My Papa is Mama Mami, but we call Mami Mami, my Choti Dadi, and my Mochu Baba. And that's all three of us. So I'll show you my family now. That is me with my Bade Fuffa on my birthday. I don't remember which birthday this was, but on my birthday. Then I should go to Badi Bua. That's my Badi Bua. If you want to know Mrigyara के curly बाल किसकी तरह है, reference. But me and Bua twinning. I think this was from my party. पैदा होने का पार्टी होता है ना, वैसा कुछ हुआ था. This is also a very beautiful picture. Baba, Dadi and three of us. Wish Muski was also born उस समय, but she wasn't there. Okay, wait, I had Choti Bua somewhere here.
Where is Choti Bua?
Oh yeah, that's my choti bua. So the most of the clothes that you see me wearing as a kid were made by Choti Bua. Most of them. She made a suitcase full of clothes for me. तो मेरे जो बचपन के कपड़े थे मम्मी को ख़रीदने कम पड़े क्योंकि आई डोंट थिंक ख़रीदने ही पड़े, सब छोटी बुआ बना के लाई थी. शी इज़ वेरी गुड एट इट. फाउंड इट. So that's Chachu. So this is Chachu with me. I don't have a picture with Chote Fuffa. Chote Fuffa, I'm sorry. Send me if you have a picture of you and me. That's my mama. That's my mama holding me on his shoulders. So that's Didi with me. That's my elder sister. Again, she's trying to slap me. Don't know for what reason. She's trying to slap me. I'll show you picture with Bhaiya here. That's probably my first Raksha Bandhan with Bhaiya. So yeah, that's Bhaiya. This is Didi trying to squeeze my soul out of me. That's the twins that never gelled along. Me and Amya, we are 9 months apart. I am the elder one. There's Amya, that's me. The clothes were made by Choti Bua, identical, but we are poles apart. So Amya, I don't have a picture with you bachpan ka, I'm sorry. That's Rishu and Tinu. That's Rishu, that's Tinu after the annual function, because why not. This was my Annaprashan picture. Just look at Bhaiya here. Just look at Bhaiya here. He's like, why is everybody feeding her? Give me also food. Now we come down to... Okay, I have another picture that I want to show you. That's my Diddus. My Mossies, but I call them Diddu. Badi Diddu and Choti Diddu. If you're watching this. That's in Kolkata at their place, I think. We broke eggs. तो मम्मी किचन में आई कि कुछ टूट रहा है क्या, तो आई वॉज वेरी स्मॉल, वेरी क्रेजी किड. तो अंडा ऐसे ज़मीन पे गिर के फूटता था तो यूज टू लाफ. बहुत हंसी आ रही थी मेरे को, पागल थी ना मैं इसलिए. तो दिद्दू लोगों ने पूरी ट्रे अंडे की निकाल के बाहर दिन गेव मी द अंडा टू ब्रेक ऑन द फ्लोर. बहुत मज़ा आया था. वी हैड आवर ओन फन सेशन. देन मम्मी वॉज वेरी एंग्री. Okay, then we come down to pictures of just me and my mom, daddy. Also see another Raksha Bandhan picture where everyone is wearing the same clothes. That's me, Amya, Didi, everybody is wearing the same clothes. Because why not buy clothes in bulk? Okay, now I'll show you the pictures of my dogs when I was small. That's at my nanny's place. That's Sony and that's Rocky. Rocky's back, you can see, that's Sony. And here is Tiger. Okay, now I'll show you pictures of me and mummy, because mummy के साथ pictures फिर भी अभी थोड़ी ऐसे कम मिल रही है. That's mama and me. Mummy trying to show me how to say hi, but I'm like, I don't want to say hi to people. Okay. This is one very cute picture of me, mummy and Tinu. We wanted to recreate this, but I don't think I can sit on my mother's shoulders anymore. She'll break her. Don't want to. This was again my party. Look at my mom's fashion game. So on point. Look at her glasses and all. Huh? Mummy, give me kisses and all. Like being all touchy. The happiest kid in the world, laughing for no reason at all. This is me being Little Red Riding Hood, wearing the scarf that Dadi made. And that's my papa. This is my papa's bike. So bike hai. And papa, why were you wearing this Chand Sitara shirt? Huh? Not cool. Mummy didn't trying to teach me how to ask people to please come listen to me. I'm like, I try, mummy, I can't do this. and my father never realized he used to have a lot of hair, curly hair. तो बच्चे को सर पे बैठाओगे, बच्चा नहीं दिखेगा पीछे. Am I visible? I am not. Oh, this was again in Nainital. Beautiful pictures. Okay, I think we are done with pictures. We are done with all the pictures. Now let me just show you the pictures that I kept for last, which are my favorite pictures, which out of which the first one is not relevant to me, but it is cute, so I'm showing you. That's Mrigya Rai. That's Mrigya Rai. Very cute. She used to be cute, now she's not. This is my first picture ever. My first picture ever. I was like just this big. My first picture ever clicked. And two of my most favorite pictures. This is one of them. Like, look at me, so small. But my all-time favorite picture that I can find, this one is one picture I can never let go of. And this is my favorite picture of all. So yeah, these are my pictures. Okay, so this was a long video, but I think this is gonna be a good one because I actually prepared a lot for this, found pictures and stuff. I'm getting nostalgic. No, don't cry. Also, I'll insert some pictures here of जिनके साथ इधर नहीं है. कौन बचा जिसके साथ फ़ोटो नहीं इधर मेरे पास नहीं है अभी. आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज़ कवर्ड एक्सेप्ट फॉर मुस्कीज़ पिक्चर्स विल बी हियर. अब देखो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि ये मेरे बचपन का बॉक्स है. अब मुस्की के लिए उसके बचपन का खोलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो हमारा बचपन रह नहीं गया था. तो आई पुट अ पिक्चर ऑफ मुस्की हियर. ऑल्सो हू डिड आई मिस? I didn't have a solo picture with Bhaiya. I'll put one here. Also Soumya, I'll put one here. I think I have everybody here. Okay, Jiju is not here. I'll put a photo with Didi and Jiju here. Didi, you have seen a lot of pictures, yeah, but I'll also put here one picture. Let me think one picture I have with Jiju that I can show you. Okay, yeah, from their Shadi, I'll show you one picture here with Jiju. We were having dinner. और जब खाना आया तो हम लोगों ने प्लेटें इतनी भर ली दिखाने के लिए कि हम लोगों ने थोड़ा अपने प्लेट में जगह बना के नान रख लो. और तुम्हारे प्लेट में जगह है, हाँ थोड़ा सा वो वाला सब्ज़ी डलवा लो. हाँ मशरूम डलवा लेना अगर प्लेट में जगह है तो ऐसे हम लोग अपना ही बुफे लगा करके बैठे थे. तो जब तक हम लोग खा रहे थे, निथि वाज बिजी ईटिंग एंड जीजू वर क्लिकिंग सेल्फीज. एंड वन इज रिसेंटली विद दीदी एंड जीजू फ्रॉम होली. आई विल पुट वन हियर. एंड मेरे जिगर का टुकड़ा, मेरा my heart, my soul, the love of my life, the boy I love the most in the world, my favorite boy will be here. You will see him. He is the only sunshine in my life now. Apart from everybody, Muski is my sister, but my child, firstborn, he'll be here. Mera Arjun, I can't even describe what he is, but you'll see all. I'll put a slideshow of him here. He is the reason of us smiling every day. This boy is the reason. He was born on the 8th of March and I reached on the 11th of March. I said I cannot be here without seeing my boy. I have to go and see him. I'm getting emotional. I love him the most. He is. मैंने अपने बर्थडे पे सबसे I ask for gifts, but I wait for one gift every year, which is अर्जुन के हाथ लगा हुआ पेपर. that is one thing I wait for. That's the biggest birthday gift I can get, and I hope I see him soon. The last I saw him was his first birthday. He calls me Emma. I don't know why, but he calls me Emma. I love him. So yes, the most important person will be here. Also, I did not put a picture of my angel here. I'll put it here. I don't show her. I don't show picture of me and her because I don't have a picture with her. I do have one picture with her, but I don't keep it out. I keep it very संभाल के कि कहीं गायब ना हो जाए, because that's the only picture I have. Okay, so this is done. So I think we are done. So we come to the end of the video. I am very nostalgic right now. Very nostalgic. Yeah, I think we're done with the pictures. We're done with the video. If you're seeing me for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Press the bell icons to get the notification when I upload a new video. And we're done here. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Till then, अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो do press the like button. अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा तो please share it with your friends and family and everybody you know. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, signing off.